How to log in Kahoot account. To sign into Kahoot account, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. Once you are on your browser, on the searching bar, search for Kahoot. Then simply tap on the official website of Kahoot, that is kahoot.com. Once you go there, on the top you will see sign up free and login option. Tap on login. From here, you can use your username and password and hit on the login. You can also use the alternative ways like continuing with Google, Microsoft, or Apple ID and other option too. Once you hit your username and password, simply hit on the login and you will be logged into Kahoot account. In this way, we can easily log into Kahoot account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.